Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is my client. Who is this? Hannah, and she's coming today for a fresh set. So well, it was she came with her sister and they both had a fresh set. So the video I uploaded before this was Rach, that's her sister. They both had a fresh set. So I took her set off down to the clear layer, and then I soaked the clear layer in acetone and took them off. So now I applied CJP clear tips, apply my clear layer, and now we're going in with this design. So I did this design on a little display tip and put it on my Instagram, and I sent it to Hannah and I said you need to have this, and here we are. So I'm using the red, the deep red that we've got there is Very Berry from Glitterbels, and then the blue colour is Periwinkle from CJP, and then we've got Orchid from CJP, and then Snow White also from CJP. And I'm kind of just doing like, not, you wouldn't call this a marble, would you? You'd call it like a stripy blended sort of thing. I'm literally just blending them all together in striping motion sort of thing, and then I'm going to come in with some glitter after I've done that. The glitter is geez, I'm so useless at this. I think it's called something baby shower, I think, from Sonia Williams. I think it's called Baby Shower, and it just went so well with the set. It had like tones of blues, reds, pinks, so it just went purples. It just went so well. I kind of should have let this now set before I went in with the glitter, just because it helps you, like, you can push it more into place. Other than when it's wet, you can't really do that. You kind of can't dig into it because it'll move. But I did it on the other set and it did look better, I'm not gonna lie. But anyway, just gonna add that glitter just where I thought it would look nice, and then I'm going to do the exact same thing on the middle finger. I'm just going to speed it up a little bit because you've just watched me do it here. So yes, I'll let you watch that. So the baby finger is going to be a glitter fade. So I'm going in with Birthday Suit, and then I'm going in with that glitter. I've just looked at it, it's called Baby Shower, at the tip, and just blend that back. I kind of wanted to cover quite a lot of the nail, so I do go quite far down with the glitter, and you can see it in all its glory then, on all its glory there, sorry, on a plain background. And yeah, you can see like blues, greens, purples, pinks, and obviously gold. It's stunning, it really is. I love all her glitters. So yeah, done that. So then this now, God, we spent forever trying to think of what to do on this finger and the thumb, but we went for this in the end. So there we're going in with Very Berry. My telly is still loud, can't find my remote. And then I'm going to come in with Periwinkle and Orchid together and just in a slant at the tip, just really wet blend that into that Very Berry. I wasn't too bothered about this, really. It looked nice, very effortlessly. And then just go back in with that red again. And then I'm going to come in with the glitter. Oh no, a little bit more red. And then I'm going to come in with that glitter again. I'm going to do a little swoosh. I was like, I'm not really bothered about this now. I obviously am. Keep going in. So now, glitter, I do a little swoosh sort of thing. So yeah, I'll just let you watch. So I seem to have forgot, or it just, I don't know, something happened and I didn't record the thumb. So the thumb was, you'll see it, it's kind of like the pointer finger, just with the, what I've done at the side there is at the base, and then the glitter fades into it. But anyway, I'm going to cap this now, the pointer and the thumb, and you'll see the thumb from there. So I didn't record me filing because I've got so many videos of that. I just wanted to cut this video length down. So now we're going in with top coat, which is my good old faithful CJP tack free top gloss, and just apply a thin layer of that over all her nails. She'll cure in my lamp for 60 seconds, and we'll apply, I think she had cherry Naff stuff cuticle oil, and that is the set complete. So I do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, and if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you did, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.